The 2016 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and intuitive all-wheel drive for confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.